Welcome to the Walton Pi. Today we are going to go through some examples involving logarithms. So if we have something like log base b of a equaling c, remember that this is interchangeable with saying that b to the c is equal to a. So for example, let's say we are dealing with log base 3 of 27. What is that equal to? Well, we are trying to figure out 3 to what power is equal to 27. Well, that's going to happen if x is equal to 3, because 3 to the 3 is 27. So that tells us that log base 3 of 27 is equal to 3. Other ones might not be quite as straightforward. Like maybe we were trying to figure out what is log base 8 of 16. So that's 8 to what power is equal to 16? Well, at this point we might not be able to see directly what it is, because 8 is just half of 16, but to see power of 8. But we might be able to see, well, we can write 8 as 2 cubed. So that's 2 cubed to the x. Well, 2 cubed to the x is the same thing as 2 to the 3x, and that's equal to 16, but 16 is 2 to the 4. Well, that tells us that 3x is going to be equal to 4, so x is 4/3. So that tells us log base 8 of 16 is 4 over 3. Some other properties that logarithms have include, if we have log base 3 of a plus log base 3 of b, because both of these are the same base, we can actually combine them this way. This is equal to log base 3 of a times b. So an example of this might be log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of 27. Well, log base 3 of 9, that is just 2, because 3 squared is 2, and log base 3 of 27, that's 3, because 3 to the 3 is 27. Well, at this point what we might say is, well, this tells us it should be 5, but this rule that we have here says this should also be log base 3 of 9 times 27, which is, let's see, 9 times 27, that's 180 plus 63, that's 243. And so that tells us that if we look at 3 to the 5, that should be 243. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. That's, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, times 3 is going to be 243. So that checks out. So these are some of the different nice properties of a logarithm. Some other ones that we have are that log base 3 of 27, if we have a number out front, like a 1/2, this is the same thing as putting that number in as an exponent of what we're taking the log base 3 of. So let's see, a nicer number might 9 instead of 27. Because if we look at this, this is going to be 1/2 of 2, and this is going to be log base 3 of the square root of 9, which is log base 3 of 3, which is 1, and so we see that everything checks out here as well. So these are just some of the different log rules and properties that come up. Keep your eyes peeled and be able to identify these and be able to use them when you need to. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. Please check out some of my other videos, and please like and subscribe if you have not already, so I can continue to make these sorts of videos. Have a great day and good luck with the rest of your math.